Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by choosing and connecting your microphone. USB plugs straight in, XLR needs an audio interface. Use an interface for better preamps. Once connected, open Windows or System Audio Settings and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz so files match common standards. Make sure the mic is selected as the default input. You're doing this now to prevent mismatched formats and latency later, so confirm levels visually and by a quick test recording. Next, launch your recording app and select the mic as the input device. If available, pick the correct audio interface and driver, WASAPI/ASIO on Windows for low latency. Once selected, set bit depth to 24-bit for headroom and choose mono for a single mic or stereo when needed. Arm the track and speak while adjusting gain so your loudest peaks sit around -6 to -3 decibels. This prevents clipping and preserves dynamics. Once comfortable, run a full test take to confirm sound. When you've recorded, stop and listen through the entire take, trimming silence and applying light normalization or noise reduction only if required. Export your final file as WAV for highest quality or MP3 for smaller size, keeping the sample rate and bit depth consistent with your project settings. If you encounter hum, dropouts, or no input, make sure drivers are current, cables are secure, gain isn't too low, and the interface isn't used by another app. Restarting the app or system often resolves device lockups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.